Here is a new tool or product of the week. Somebody recommended this to me, so I bought it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and let me try it out. So what it is essentially super easy to install TPMS. So all you do is plug in the monitor, make sure your tires are at the normal running PSI that you want them, and then you screw these things on instead of the cap. So we have the monitor or the screen. We're gonna plug it in, and then it labels left rear, left front, right rear, and you screw these on to your caps, just like they were caps. Even comes with this handy tool to give you some leverage to screw them down tighter. If you're worried about people thieving your sensors, they have these anti-theft little hex lock nuts that you can install, but I'm gonna skip that step on mine. No, that doesn't mean you can steal mine. So let's see if it is indeed that easy. We're gonna turn on our ignition. We're gonna plug this guy into the cigarette lighter. All right, no readings yet. And now we're gonna go plug these things in. All right, I just pressurized all of these to right around 38 PSI. So this one says it is our left front. All right, he's attached. The front has already registered. And after a few seconds, we got the other one. All right, I got all four. Oh snap! I just realized it gives you the temperature too. I didn't even know I was getting that. So this thing is super cool. I will drive around with it and test it out. If you guys have used this one or one similar, let me know in the comments below your experience with them. In case you're wondering, if I turn off the key and the ignition and we wait a few seconds. So with the ignition off, this is still powered, so you are gonna have to unplug it between uses. So I'm just gonna throw it in here when not in use, and anytime I need to check my tire pressures, I'll just plug it right in. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like one, check out the link in the description below to get it on Amazon. Thanks, see you guys on the next one.